Lakshya. Shall we start now? National flag,
Tiranga,
national anthem,
Jana Gana Mana,
national fruit,
Mango,
national calendar,
Saka Kalande,
national song,
Bande Matalam,
national animal,
Yaya Benga Tiger,
national river,
Iwe Ganga,
national bird,
Rika,
national tree,
Berensti,
national reptile,
King Cobra,
national currency,
Indian Rupee,
national heritage animal,
Elephant,
national flower,
Lotus,
national vegetable,
Pumpkin,
national sports.
Orchid.
Very good, Lakshya.